Is that yummy?
In recent months.
Some witnesses,
Is that yummy?
relatives of young men who had been radicalized, said that some Muslim leaders protect would-be terrorists, but others, such as the sheriff of Los Angeles County, said that Muslims work with law enforcement.
What do you do when you want more?
Barbara Bradley Haggerty, NPR News.
Huh?
U.S. intelligence officials
Okay, it's all gone.
leader Muammar Gaddafi
Now this is what she does.
to fight to save his regime. Forces
Hopefully she'll do
Gaddafi
it.
made progress against rebels in the port city of Ras Lanuf today, forcing them to retreat. Meanwhile, NPR's Rachel Martin says the Obama administration is still deciding whether to establish a
There's the call. Oh, what is it? You want some more? May, smile for the camera. One smile. Show those pretty teeth. Oh, okay.